Oh, it doesn't look as swollen.
Ay, ay, ay.
That's so detailed.
Hello?
You're waving.
Let me check. I'm in the back. Hold on a second. Quiet. Okay, let me see if it was checked from last night.
You can totally see the bruise on the camera. It hurts.
It bruised so easy.
They popped all my veins. Of course it bruise easily. Good news or bad news? How I put this back in feels better. It's not like poking out the side of my foot anymore.
Okay, I can do some of it, but he's in the room right now. It says finger with one at blood on gauze. It looks like with one at blood on gauze. I need to ask him that. It says blood on gauze. I don't know. The next one is a leech.
Ew.
Yeah, I think it leech good. I don't know, I gotta ask him. And then the other one says leech filling. Oh, it probably says filled well. Leech filling at this time will change dressing under anesthesia in the arm. Yeah, he had amputated his finger.
You want Joseph in the second room?
For
Are you
now.
videotaping that?
For now.
Mm-hmm.
For
It's
now.
really boring video.
This is only one for the picture center?
Well, do you want to be in it?
No, no, no. Video. Not today.
I figured out that in there, if I blend my things together, but I use the bond for
Okay. You want to put me on hold? You know what? I'm just going to take you to comfort right now. Yeah. You want me to call, ask him and then call you as soon as,
doesn't look that big anymore. Just used to it being
I can do that too. Okay. 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 I'll do that.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Maybe it's that it's swollen or something. I don't know.
I'm pretty sure. Hold on. The one that I have here.
Oh, you dare get me.
I won't.
Oh yeah, extension 1866. Okay, hold on. You're welcome.
What's that for Joseph? Because it's on the second room or?
Put it in the second room and then we'll see what it looks like and then I'll determine if I need to bring him here or just keep him there. Just put that chair so he can elevate his foot on it.
You want Ryan's check?
No, I have two over here, so I'm fine.
Good thing I don't feel that. Feels really good.
Feels good?
Yeah, it's really cold, but it feels really good. Wow, that didn't sound good.
When was your surgery?
Friday?
2 to 4 days ago.
Yeah, he was not gonna take those off, right? Okay.
No. Sometimes we change it, but I think it's on. A lot better coming off.
Dude, part of my scar is like open. I wonder if he used part of the skin. I wonder if he took part of the scar off. So,
Maybe it did.
so look, there's like a cut,
No.
and there's like